Hi, I'm Jing, a Chinese teacher. Today I'm going to share with you 3 inside stories of Chinese Lunar New Year. So you may have known some customs of Chinese New Year from other videos or from Chinatown or from a Chinese friend. Like we would come back to our hometown cities to make a big dinner with our family on Lunar New Year's Eve and stay up till midnight to celebrate the New Year, which is called 守岁, wait up for the New Year. And in some places, there are dragon and line dances shows on the street. And we would set off firecrackers and fireworks at night during the whole Spring Festival holiday, which usually lasts from the last day of the last year to the 6th day of the New Year. Even though it's banned in some big cities like Beijing, Shanghai, especially downtown, for environment protection and transportation convenience. All places in China during this year are decorated with red decorations, lanterns, couplets, paper cuts, and we would wear red during Spring Festival. Well, if not every day, then at least for one day. But today, I'm going to introduce the 3 less known fun facts about Chinese New Year. So it's kind of like inside story. And once you know this, you have known too much about China. Holiday songs. There are a few songs only played during this time of the year, and every Chinese, can sing a few lines of them. The first song is performed by a huge movie star and singer, Liu Dehua. This song was released in 2005 and has been played every year since then. And you can hear it on every corner of China, whether it's on the street of a small town or in a shopping mall of a big city, or from somebody else's phone. The name of the song is 恭喜发财, which is also a very common go-to phrase during Chinese New Year, and it means
Yo, hope you get rich!
Well, this is a clip of a Malaysian stand-up comedian explaining Chinese New Year, which I find very amusing. I'll put down the link in the description section so you can see more. So let's watch the video of the song and learn a few lyrics. The first 5 lyrics are 我恭喜你发财我恭喜你精彩最好的请过来不好的请走开礼多人不怪 So if you can sing a few lines of this song, I assure you when you come to China, people will say, wow, your Chinese is really good. The second song I'm about to introduce is performed by a soprano singer who is 80 this year and has been performing this song for 39 years. So on New Year's Eve, the whole family would get together and watch 春晚, a CCTV New Year's Gala. So this song has been performed as the last show of the gala for almost every year. And this song is called 难忘今宵, hard to forget tonight. So as you can see from the meaning, why it's chosen as the ending show of the gala. And here's a video of the song from the gala 2 years ago. Holiday puns. Many of the food we eat and many of the decorations we have are in puns. For example, we eat tangerine, 橘子, 橘, and pear, 梨, or have decorations in their shapes because the pronunciation is similar to 吉, luck, and 利, good benefit. So big tangerine, 大的橘子, 大橘, means 大吉, good luck, big luck. And big pear, 大的梨子, 大梨 means 大利 good benefits. So 大吉大利，大吉大利。One more example is that we would definitely have fish as one of the dishes, where if not on the big dinner on New Year's Eve, then definitely on Sunday during the Spring Festival, because fish is 鱼, which has the same pronunciation with 鱼 extra. So having fish every year, 年年有余, means having extra things, extra luck, extra fortune every year. 年年有余。年年有余. The last example I'm going to share is the paper cut decoration of character 福, which means good luck. This decoration is usually hung up on the door upside down, because upside down in Chinese is 道, which has the same pronunciation with 道, come. So character 福 upside down, 福到 means 福到, the good luck has come.
Chinese Zodiac, 12 symbolic animals.
Well, just like in Western astrology, there are 12 signs, Virgo, Scorpio, etc. We have 12 animals in Chinese Zodiac. Unlike Western astrology, these signs refer to month. Chinese 12 symbolic animals refer to year, and this year, 2024, is the dragon year. So here's a sentence you can use to make chit-chat with Chinese, which will make them think that your Chinese is very local. It's 你属什么?你属什么? It's like the short version of 你的属相是什么? What is your symbolic animal? In previous video, we learned a sentence to ask people what year they were born in. 你是哪一年出生的? 你是哪一年出生的? But this sentence can only be used when you two have known each other pretty well. After all, it's a little bit private. But this sentence, 你属什么?你属什么? What is your symbolic animal? Is more toned down because it's not directly to ask someone the year he was born in, so you can figure out his age. But according to his answer, you know that he's around your age if his symbolic animal is near to yours in the order of Chinese zodiac, or you have quite an age difference if two animals are not close in the order. So if you and a person are trying to make small talks to get more familiar with each other, this is a sentence you can use. So that's all of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you don't mind, you can Google your symbolic animal and share with us in the comment section. 你属什么? So I'll see you next time, and 春节快乐! Happy Spring Festival!